I was casually using my PC when this message popped up on Windows PowerShell. PowerShell is like text messaging a computer to do complex tasks instantly instead of clicking through a lot of menus. At first, I thought it was just a casual message from my computer, but something about it seemed off and I decided not to ignore it. I had no idea that this message would render my computer useless for the rest of the day. So I went ahead and pasted the whole message onto ChatGPT to help me figure it out, and lo and behold, it was a virus. At first I was confused. I'm basically a cybersecurity connoisseur. Surely a virus cannot be on my computer, but after some more digging, I had no doubt I had somehow gotten my computer infected. More on that later. I did not want to give up my computer so easily to this virus, so I decided to take some action. It was me and AI against this enemy. So let's see what the AI recommends. So first, it says I need to disconnect from my internet completely. Okay, done. Then I need to do a full system scan using something called Windows Defender Offline Scan. Windows Defender Virus and Threat Protection Scan options. Offline scan. I'm guessing this will take some time. Okay, nothing seems to be happening. Let me try again. Still nothing. Maybe it's running in the background. So while that's happening, let's find out what this virus does. And it looks like it can actually do a lot, and that's not good. Okay, so the AI recommends I do these checks. I have to type them manually really super fast because I can't cross copy paste between my phone and laptop. So here goes. I typed everything correctly, right? I just have to separate them. There are two different commands. Okay, here it goes again. Okay, so it looks like the files are split into three parts. I'm assuming the virus will make them into like one super virus. What next? So we need to quarantine the file using this command. The process cannot access the file. Okay, so I'm sorry, but my recording ended here. I couldn't manage to screen record the rest of the video. Okay, so the part files are not quarantined, and we need to run this inside the quarantine folder. This command should help us understand its behavior without risking opening the file. Invoke expression detected. What does that even mean? It's definitely not innocent for sure. Let me try to read the file's contents in a harmless way. Okay, I'm just going to paste this command. That's weird. I think this is 40 lines, but nothing is showing. Let me try again. Yeah, still nothing. So the AI says it's not in plain text, but a different format. And by using this command, no, these are too long to type, and honestly I doubt we'd get anything. But I'm going to try the base 64 one because I at least know what that means, since it looks the shortest also. Okay, so a lot of stuff has been printed out. I've just remembered iPhones have good text recognition straight from the camera, so I can just copy and paste the text from pictures. Okay, there we go. Let's see what the AI says. So apparently it's built using Go. I'm not so sure that is helpful, but it suggests to now boot into Windows Safe Mode. What is Windows Safe Mode? It was not supposed to do the offline scan a while ago. I actually don't think anything happened. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT if you should do that now or after getting into Safe Mode, because whatever we pasted was the result of this command. Now it says to do the scan, but did you not just tell us to restart? Either way, let me try using this command, which I will paste into the terminal. I'm so sorry if you guys can't see anything because my recording somehow got corrupted, but just trust me that it's happening. But I'm getting a message saying that errors were encountered, and that is weird. AI thinks that the malware tampered with the offline scan components, but let's actually confirm that using this command, which will tell me whether a Windows recovery environment. This is what a Windows recovery environment is. And apparently it's disabled. Wait, I think I removed the environment because a while ago I needed some more space on my PC and it was taking up a lot. I actually never thought I would require it, and that is very unfortunate. So my only options are to make a bootable Windows Defender USB using another computer, which I definitely do not have, or download Windows Defender offline, which I cannot because I cannot connect to the internet. Okay, so there's this tool called Microsoft Safety Scanner, which is a standalone tool that can run in safe mode, which I think is the safest way to go ahead, pun intended. Okay, so let's get into safe mode. You do that by pressing the Windows key plus R, then type msconfig. This will bring you to system configuration window. You can go into boot to change the option. Here select safe mode, then check minimal, click OK, then restart, and this should restart your computer directly into safe mode. So after getting into safe mode, the AI said I should type in this command if Defender still exists, which it did, and this should perform a full system scan. I have no idea how long this might take, so I'm just going to let it run. It's some time later, and this took way long, 2 hours or so, but I'm looking for the needed report file. It's called MSAT, but I cannot seem to find it anywhere. Now I'm going to paste the output to the AI to see what's up. So Microsoft Safety Scanner has not been run. For some reason, I thought it's what you were running the whole time, but it seems I was wrong. So how do we run the Microsoft Safety Scanner? Okay, so it looks like I have to connect to the internet because the tool is like not in my PC at all. So okay, so I'm just going to confirm what to do with MSAT once I download it so that I don't have to stay online any longer than I need. We have downloaded MSAT and it's currently midday, about 12. I've run the scan for 10 minutes and already 3 files have been found infected, and that's not a good sign. I'm just going to let the scan continue. It's the next day and the scan has finally been completed. It completed at like 3 a.m. but I was asleep. It was an agonizingly long scan. But from the results, it appears to have done the job. I'm going to tell ChatGPT what happened. It says I'm in a serious spot. A spot of tea, you say? I cannot trust this machine. Sounds very ominous considering it's my only machine. But we need to probe for persistence, which sounds like something the Empire does in Star Wars. And there's a lot of other stuff here. That it says we need to do. But anyway, let's go slowly first. I'm going to paste this command to check for scheduled tasks that might restart the malware after I turn off my PC. And it says that some names are normal and others are suspicious, like these Realtek ones. I don't know what that is. So the immediate next steps should be to remove them using these commands as an administrator. Okay, I think I've been able to purge them, but we'll only know after the restart. And any trace of Realtek seems to be gone. Okay, so now the AI says you need to check startup items. It looks like there are some legitimate ones and others are not so legit, like this jack here. I don't know any jack. Okay, let me try to verify it. But it doesn't exist, but you just saw it. I guess that's good, but you need to make sure it's gone. But it looks like I can remove it. Okay, now we need to check startup entries again. Oh, it looks like I was typing the path instead of the actual name of the file. Okay, now it's gone. The AI is asking if I can do one more command to verify that there are no hidden tasks. Okay, let me do that and paste the output. And nothing. I think that was a mission success. So AI can definitely beat a virus if you kind of know what you're doing. I think we succeeded. Oh, and also one more thing.
Hey, you want to see something cool?